Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mulki Musa. Today we are in Hounslow. We are expecting to have Somali mothers as our guests in our ATM session. Hear No Tribalism, Speak No Tribalism. We are really looking forward to having our Somali mothers come to join us today here in Hounslow, because as you know, Somali moms play a big role in our community and also in the anti-tribalism movement. And me as an anti-tribalism movement member, I'm really excited to have the mums today, see what they think about tribalism, how tribalism has affected them in their past. As you know, they're the older generation, they have more experience than us, and they can really relate to how tribalism has affected us as people and our motherland.